Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to create a template book. Start by opening a previous book that you'd like to use as a template. Simply double-click on the book to open it. This is a 40-page book, and we like the overall design. Next, click Select All to select all pages. Then, click on the vertical menu and choose Clear Images. A dialog box will appear asking for confirmation, so click OK. All the photos have now been removed from the pages. At this point, you can make any final adjustments to the layout before saving it as a template. To ensure no photos are linked to your template, click on the Photos tab, select all photos from your pool, and click Remove. Now, your template is completely free of any associated images. If you want to make further adjustments, you can go back to the editor. Then proceed to the next step. When you're ready, click File, General, then select Save as New Project. Enter a name for your template, such as Photo Album Template, and click Save. Next, click on the Projects tab, then click the Close button to access the Project Explorer. You will now see your new template. To create a new project from this template, simply click on the duplicate icon. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your photo album.